So this is what I will be using to lighten the hair. And this is the hair. This is how the hair comes, packaged very nicely. Each bundle is wrapped in its own little stocking cap and inside of a satin bag. This is the closure. And the knots are not bleached. So here we go. I'm just going to open up the hair and unravel it. This is our Brazilian straight in 10 inches. I have 1 closure and 3 bundles. Now I am going to start the bleaching process. I have several bowls of bleach already mixed so that I can just keep moving. Please be sure to check out all of my other hair coloring videos. The links will be in the bar below. So I have the hair folded in 4s, and after I do one side, I flip it over. Then after I do that side, I turn the bundle inside out and repeat the process. I also like to comb through the bundle to make sure that every hair is saturated. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are interested in purchasing hair from my Mayvenn store, You can see that the hair is already starting to lift. I am done with that bowl, and here comes another bowl. Also, please be sure to check out my website. So now I am on to the second bundle. And this one will go by a lot faster than the first. But just so you can see everything that I'm doing and the steps that I am taking. Make sure that you feather the line of demarcation so that you don't have any harsh lines. My table is the kind of table that you can fold in half. That is why that line is right there, but it does not affect the outcome of the hair. Now I am going to start on the closure. Here I am doing my feathering technique to make sure that the transition is smooth, and I am adding a little bleach on the knots. First, I am going to rinse the bleach off of the closure, and then I will start to rinse all of the rest of the hair. After rinsing, I apply my neutralizing shampoo, After using my neutralizing shampoo, I like to follow up with my Shimmer Light shampoo. After I am done shampooing the hair, I apply conditioner and let that sit on for a while. So after rinsing out the conditioner, I normally let my hair air dry, but because I am going to color this hair today, I blow dried it. So I used my comb attachment to make sure that I kept the hair as straight as possible while I blow dried the hair. I did the same thing to dry the closure, but I made sure that I was gentle so that I did not pull out the ventilated hair. So this is the unit that I made with the hair after I colored it. If you would like to see a video on that, please comment about that below. If you would like to see this makeup look, the link will be below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video to see how I lighten my Mayvenn hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.